So basically I'm gonna click on the brush tool here, and then I will go to the saturation section. So what is saturation? It basically affects color intensity and enhances every color in an image, like it brightens or make the colors more vibrant. And desaturation, if desaturating a pic means become black and white, right, and the color will disappear from it. So I'm gonna reduce the level to -10 for better results, for better black and white results. So I'm gonna paint it now with my fingers. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do it till I reach perfection. So I will continue doing. If you have overdone somewhere, you can always use the eraser to erase it. Suppose you have painted an area which you don't want to desaturate, so you can always use the eraser to remove that. So now it's done. Now I will add a bit of vignette to the picture so that it looks good, much better. So here it goes. Increase the saturation of the flower just a bit, like I will use 5 or 10. I will use 10, and it will look nice now. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, do share, comment, and subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. So until then, bye, and I will catch you in my next tutorial.